Hi, my name is Christina Del Real. I'm from Exeter, California. I'm the owner of Lash Doll Studio and Academy. I am a Bella Lash educator. I am an adhesive junkie and I love trying every new adhesive. I think I've tried every adhesive under the sun. Bella Lash was gracious enough to invite me over to try their new adhesive, Onyx. I was a little bit skeptical, but after trying and using Onyx on a full set, I am sold. I feel like Onyx is going to improve my lash game because it's a 1 second dry, and that's important for me. I flew through my set with Onyx. It was amazing how it just pulled towards a natural lash. I love Onyx. It is fast drying, so you better work fast.